guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Masa Selka is my name. If you're new here, please like and subscribe. And we are be so happy to have you as part of the family. And if you are returning to be hi there, how you there, it's another week, another video. And today, I just wanted to share something with anybody who may particularly be looking for it. And if you find yourself searching specifically for the title of my video, it's because you're a bad girl. You're a bad girl.
You are a bad boy. You are a bad boy.
Because professionals exist, but you, my friend, were like, I can't do this myself. First of all, alright, shout out for the confidence, okay? I know, because I did that too. That's how I know alternatives, okay? It's because I was also like so convinced I could do this myself and save some bucks. The only thing I saved was probably the bugs. I don't know if I saved the bugs because at the end of it I ruined the wig. Okay, now just like you, I did cut the lace a little too much, and now we need to fix that, right? And that's why we're here, and I'm gonna show you that quickly. In case you're wondering, this is the wig. You see how cute this is? That's what we're gonna do with yours now. And I'm gonna show you guys how I really got here. Even as much as I really don't wanna like take it off. Like I feel so cute and I don't wanna take it off and show you guys how I got this look. But yeah, we have to. That's the whole idea of the video. Once again, don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, let me know if you're gonna try this out. There's actually two alternatives to which you can do. Actually, three alternatives. I think firstly, let me just run you through them, right? So the first thing that you can do is to actually try and pick out a bit of hairs from your lace so that to push back the front, right? The edge of where the hair is, right? I hope that makes sense. So the first thing you can do is try to remove some of the hairs so that you can then start your lace at a different part compared to it initially was. But if like me, you've really ruined it, okay, then these are for you, right? There's option one where you can use the headband like I'm doing right now, or alternatively you can wear it with your hair, which is weird because I mean we got this in the first place because we don't want to wear our own natural hair. But you're a bad girl, so these are consequences, honey. Okay, consequences. Let me show you how I got this. Got my hair from Trueville here, and yeah, I ruined it. Let me explain this to you. We're at a part where we're not worried much about how expensive the hair is or whatever. We're at the solution part of things. We want solutions at this point, right? Hence why we're making this video. Now, if you look at my if you look at my wig, I really ruined this, guys. You can see that it actually it's cut like an amateur, guys. It's cut like an amateur. Oh yeah, I'm not proud of what I did here, but that's what happened. So the first option that I was talking about, I was merely saying what you can just do is a scenario where if, unlike me, you didn't start making these turns and corners, then you can be able to simply just get rid of some of these hairs. You know how easy it is to get rid of hair from wigs. Just maybe anything to give you a bit more space when dealing with your wig, right? You can just remove some of these so that you then have like a bit of room for where you're gonna be lowering it down and all that good stuff. Option number two, which is obviously not option number three, was the one where I was saying you can wear it with your own natural hair. So what happens here is something that I'm not gonna do because I have natural hair, so unrelaxed. My hair is not relaxed, so such things wouldn't work well with my hair. But alternatively, how I sometimes wear it is, and by the way, the Trueville wigs always have these, and I think that's why I like buying from them, because even the other one that I own that is an 8-inch, it has pins. And honestly, I felt normally I feel like that's a good quality wig if it's like that. So this is a Brazilian hair, very beautiful bob, and yeah, I bet go around it. So that's what's up. Okay, so I'm gonna wear this. I need to look at myself in the mirror. Okay, so you see how I cut mine? Mine actually allows me now and then to actually wear it without having to do anything to it, except it then just gives me a bit of an old lady look. I don't know if you see it. Let me try to comb it. So when I do this, I also use my spray to glue it down, which I can't do right now because so this is what happens here. See what happened? I kind of parted it, and then here to some extent I cut it too much here, so it makes that thing like. So normally what I do if I'm gonna wear it with glue, I would then just make some baby hairs around here, you know, just to make it seamless. I'll try to share a picture of the time I did that because I have no intentions of doing that in this video. And then, you know, I'll just glue it down and I'll look cute. Like you wouldn't even know something was wrong with the wig, right? And then the actual style that I actually want to do today, it's with my headband. So first and foremost, obviously you're gonna need the hair, and then you're also gonna need the headband. Now I'm gonna comb this hand one more time. And I'm also gonna try and pin her in, because it actually, because I'm not gonna be using glue or anything on it, it needs to hold itself together. So I'm gonna be looking this like this. That's where my mirror is. Okay, I need to see myself. At least I'm gonna be a bad teacher, and it's gonna sound like I'm lying. Now my headband is all overstretched because I normally use it for braids and stuff, and all the other big hairs that I be doing to my head. So it's kind of big, but you kind of just get your headband and you do that. Now this would be great if the headband was tight on its own, but if it's not tight like me, you can just tuck it in behind, and at this point what you do is you pull this back. Okay, now the issue here is wait, let me fix that. Let me fix it. Because what I don't want is I don't want my... Okay, I had not put this part really, so it kind of looked funny. Okay, going in. Don't mind all of this. This is just me and my attempts at styling the hair, because I wouldn't want it to like just be too ordinary and stuff. It actually needs to look like nothing is wrong with it, you know. So when you go about it, you want it to be looking fine. This needs to go underneath. That's what I'm struggling with right now. So you want to make sure that a large part of the headband is actually over the wig. That's how you're gonna secure it, because if just a small portion of the headband is over the wig, then anything can happen to the wig. All right, so as much as we're pushing it a bit to the back, we also want it to still be having a grip on the front. Listen, if you're questioning my skills at this point, I'm like, baby, how many alternatives do you actually have? Because you can't throw that away. That was a lot of money, right? So we need to find alternatives to deal with it. And if you're a black woman, you know we always find a way. So don't play with this whole thing, honey. It's serious. It's a serious business. So if you're into edges, baby hairs, sorry, you also do those. And just like that, you see how badly I ran this thing? So, see? And then I'm gonna take a bit of this. Just kind of try to get this hair to behave. Try to get that to behave. Unfortunately for me, I just got out of a very straining hairstyle because my hair wasn't very happy about it. And it didn't like what happened. So it's kind of, still trying to heal. And I don't want to cause any more stress on it. That's why I can't do baby hairs to it right now. And also that is why I'm also going for a protective style, because right now I can't pleat anything. The whole pulling on my hair thing has just been too much on my hair. But that's enough about me and my hair. You are the center of attention today, and I'm plugging you. I don't know what else you want from me, because it's honestly not gonna be your cashback. Sorry, bad jokes, honey, bad jokes. But legit, guys, this is it. Is it very secure? Not all the way, but to some extent, yes. But also, where are you going? Alternatively, if you feel, which is like extreme in my opinion, you can actually sew it to this or glue it to it, and then you just normally have this as a headband wig. And I'm saying it's extreme because I showed you my alternative, right? Like how I also wear it sometimes. So yeah, this is extreme. That would be extreme. But yeah, you have that alternative. Listen, do try these out. Let me know how it goes, because I've honestly searched on the internet to what can I do now that I've cut my lace a little too short, and I haven't seen anything, and these are alternatives I had to figure out on my own. Please try those. And if you have anything else that you feel could actually work, do share, girl. You see what's happening here, okay? I love my bob. I want to wear my bob. But at the same time, guys, I ruined my bob, okay? Now we know that next time we buy a frontal, we're gonna get a professional. Because look at me making my bob glueless. It's so much skill, okay? But yeah, that's what's up. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and tell me if you ever do, okay? Do share how it went, because we can't be throwing away wigs, guys. We can't. That's a lot of money. Mwah. Love you, and see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Mwah.